Joey, come here, bud.
I'm here, bud. Look. I had pulled.
Oh, too hard. Is that too much work?
I had to pull him.
No, don't pull him. Let him do it on his own, sweetie.
I had to pull him.
No, let him do it on his own. He'll figure it out. Sophia, hey. So, please don't pull him, baby doll. He has to learn on his own. I know you want to help him. You want to go fishing? Joey, come here, buddy. I know, bud. Can you come here? Yeah. What's broken? No, it's not broken, babe. There you go. You're welcome. What, buddy? Can you come here? Okay.